The 2025 Honda Civic is finally here, and it's clear Honda is doubling down on what's made this car a legend over the decades: reliability, smart design, and a surprisingly fun driving experience. For years, the Civic has been the go-to car for students, families, and even car enthusiasts looking for a daily driver with a little spark. With the 2025 model, Honda has refined the Civic's already sleek design, smoothed out the ride even more, and added new tech features that bring it fully into the future. From the outside, you'll notice the updated front grille with a more aggressive look, a slightly sharper body line down the sides, and new LED headlamps that give it a meaner, more confident stance on the road. It still carries that low-slung, sporty look, but now it feels even more premium. Whether you're seeing it parked or rolling down the highway, this new Civic stands out in the best way. Under the hood, Honda is offering a range of options, starting with the tried-and-true 2.0-liter four-cylinder engine, known for its balance of efficiency and performance. But what really grabs attention is the availability of the turbocharged 1.5-liter engine, delivering a punchy and responsive feel, especially when you're zipping through city streets or merging on the freeway. Honda has also hinted at hybrid and possibly electrified variants coming soon, aiming to satisfy the growing demand for eco-conscious driving without sacrificing the Civic's trademark fun factor. The continuously variable transmission (CVT) has been tuned for a more natural, less drony acceleration, and for those who love full control, the manual transmission is still available on certain trims, a rare and welcome choice in today's market. Whether you're a daily commuter or a weekend road tripper, the 2025 Civic is built to adapt to your lifestyle. Inside the cabin, Honda has stepped up its game significantly. The 2025 Civic features a cleaner, more minimalist dashboard design, inspired by luxury vehicles but still functional and driver-focused. Materials feel more upscale, with soft touch surfaces and refined details like contrast stitching and metallic accents. The infotainment system now includes a larger touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard, plus an upgraded digital instrument cluster on higher trims. The seating is more supportive for long drives, and the rear legroom remains generous for a compact sedan. There's also an available premium Bose sound system, wireless charging pad, and dual-zone climate control, features that used to be reserved for more expensive vehicles. Honda's attention to comfort and ergonomics is on full display here, making the Civic feel like a car from a class above. Safety has always been a cornerstone for the Civic, and the 2025 model continues the tradition with the latest Honda Sensing suite of advanced driver assist features. This includes adaptive cruise control, lane keeping assist, blind spot monitoring, traffic sign recognition, and even low-speed follow in traffic. Honda has improved the responsiveness of these systems to be more intuitive and less intrusive, offering peace of mind without taking away control. The Civic has consistently received top safety scores, and with the added reinforcements and new sensors in this year's model, it's aiming for another 5-star rating. For young drivers or families, this makes the Civic not just a stylish or fun car, but a smart, responsible choice. What makes the 2025 Honda Civic so impressive isn't just any one feature, it's the way everything comes together. It's efficient without being boring, safe without being overly conservative, and stylish without being flashy. It continues to evolve in the right ways, offering more value than ever before, while staying true to its roots as a dependable, practical, and fun-to-drive compact car. Whether you're getting your first car, upgrading from an older ride, or just looking for something that hits the sweet spot between price, performance, and peace of mind, the 2025 Civic absolutely deserves your attention. It's not just another car in the segment, it's the benchmark, the standard, and for many, still the best overall pick in its class.